Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel, How to Guide. It's me, Richie Kevin, and in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sell stuff in eBay, or in another word, create a seller account. So most people are confused of what eBay is. eBay is a place where you guys can buy and sell stuff like secondhand stuff, and you guys can get stuff for cheap, right? And you guys can also sell their stuff. And when people try to sell their own stuff, most people think like they need to create a separate eBay account. There's like a separate eBay account for like buying, and there's like a separate eBay account for selling. Do not get confused. You can buy and sell in eBay using a single account. There's not like a separate account for selling on eBay, alright? So right now, let me tell you guys how you guys can create a, account in eBay ordinarily, alright? You just need to go to your search engine and you just want to search for eBay, alright? You go to ebay.com. Once you go to ebay.com, basically it's going to take you to this official website. Now, before moving forward from over here, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys. And let's jump right into the video. Now, once you're over here, you want to click on sign in. And if you guys have an account, you can sign into it. But if you guys do not have an account, you can click on create an account, alright? Once you click on create account, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself an account. And if you want to create a personal account, click on personal account and create it. If you want to create a business account, you can click on business to create yourself a business account. Now remember, you can even sell stuff if you have a personal account. For an example, let me go to my account over here. So I'm on my eBay account. This is my eBay account and it is a personal account. And let me show you guys how you guys can sell stuff using a personal account. You just want to go on where it says sell over here after logging into your eBay. After you click on sell, basically it's going to take you to the page where you guys can list your stuff. Now once you're over here, you want to enter the name of the product which you want to sell. So let's say I want to sell like car. So I can enter car over here. Basically I can click on car, start with this title. I can click on car. After I click on car, it's gonna create a draft for me. Now once I'm over here, I need to fill up the entire form. Like it's gonna ask me for various information like my photo of the car which I'm about to sell and all the other stuff. And after filling up the entire form, there's gonna be this list item button over here. And after filling up the form, I can click on list item. Once I click on list item, if the form is filled up correctly, then basically my item will be listed on eBay and people can see it. And if they want to buy it, they can call me using all the information over there, or they can purchase it in eBay. So these are the way on how you guys can sell stuff on eBay and create yourself an eBay account as well. There's not a thing called seller account in eBay. There's just a thing called personal and business account. If you want to sell stuff in like high quantity, create business account. And if you want to sell like one or two items, you can do it in personal account. That's the difference between business and personal. So hope you guys understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer it, guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Until then, it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out.